Hello, friends, and welcome to our channel Message Club, your messaging buddy, where we are innovative and always ready to provide solutions to our clients. This is Sapna with you from the Message Club. In this video, we'll see how can we send personalized SMS by uploading a CSV file in Message Club's user panel. It's very easy, friends. Let's start. We can find this feature in the personalized SMS section in the upload file section of the same, right? We have to choose file from here. I've already created one CSV file. First, I'll show you how can we create a CSV file. There's a predefined format of this CSV file. I can find the predefined format from the send SMS section. When I'll click on the mobile number, I'll find import CSV option from here and I will download a sample file from here. See, my file has been downloaded successfully. I'll click on this, I'll open this and I'll show you. There's a sample file. We have to enter all of our data in columns and our the data will get saved here. And similarly, I have created one CSV file. I will go on the upload file section. I'll go on choose file from here. My file I've saved the sample file here. I'll choose this. I'll open and my CSV file will be uploaded successfully. Now I have to send my SMS. Therefore, I'll choose the route. My route will be transactional route. Sender ID, I've chosen demos. Mobile number, my mobile number is available in column number 1. I will on the flash on mode. Now I'll draft my message. Hi, I have to write the name after hi. My name is in column number 2. I'll select column number 2. Your date of birth according to our record is. Now the date of birth is in column number 3 section. I'll select the column number 3 and I will enable my signature from here. I have to send this SMS in English and I will preview this SMS. See, my SMS has got successfully customized, personalized. The date of birth is Rahul is this, Uday is this, and Pooja is this. Now, if I want, I can schedule my SMS, and if I want to send right now, I'll just have to type the send button here. My SMS has been sent successfully. See, it is so easy, it is so swift to send customized personalized SMSs by uploading a CSV file. A bright future for your business is waiting for you. You just have to shake hands with the Message Club panel. Yes, if you have liked this video, please press the thumbs up button. Please like it, please share it, and yes, do not forget to hit the subscribe button down. This is Sapna signing off from this video. Please click on the bell icon to get the updates of more videos from the Message Club. Until then, bye bye.